Did you know your hair could one day replace plastic? Scientists at Harvard just discovered a clever new way to recycle hair, wool, and feathers, all made of a tough protein called keratin. Normally, breaking down keratin requires very strong and polluting chemicals, so most of that animal waste just goes to landfills. But the Harvard team found a much cleaner solution, literally using salt. They discovered that a type of salt, called lithium bromide, can make keratin unfold and dissolve, but not in the way scientists thought before. It doesn't destroy the protein directly. Instead, it changes the water around it. Here's how it works. The salt makes some of the water molecules behave differently. Some stay normal, and some get trapped by the salt. That tiny change makes the protein unfold on its own, without being attacked. It's like creating a softer environment where the protein decides to open up by itself. This means we can now extract keratin in a gentle, eco-friendly way, no toxic chemicals, and the salt can even be reused. Why does this matter? Because the textile and meat industries produce billions of tons of hair, feathers, and wool every year. Instead of throwing all that away, we could turn it into useful materials, things like sustainable fabrics, wound dressings, or even plastic alternatives. It's a small chemical trick, but it could help build a much cleaner materials industry. Harvard's salt trick might just turn your next haircut into the next generation of eco-friendly products. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with the latest scientific discoveries. See you in the next breakthrough.